Hello, beautiful people. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to trading. Welcome back to Daily Pips. I'm Ignas, your host, and we're back to reading the price. We're back to figuring out how does the price actually deliver. We're back to streaming. We're back to hanging out, and we're back to just having a little bit of fun in front of the charts. Hope you don't mind starting this off with something that is very boring, which is interest rates. And interest rates is something that we're gonna have to watch constantly this week to have a better picture, to have a better understanding on what is actually happening this upcoming week and what do we want to see market actually deliver. Okay, so with that in mind, let me check in if everything is working just fine. I'm sweating my ass off here because it's warm in Vilnius. Hope you're doing good. Hello, and welcome to the stream. We're gonna start just in a jiffy. Yeah, so this is good. Let me do one more thing and I'm gonna be all yours. Hello, Thomas. I'm good, thank you. The only issue is summertime and my nose is running, so it's a little bit annoying. Let's say it nicely. It's a little bit annoying, but at the same time, it is what it is. We can't do much about it. But I'm here to do the work. I'm here to do the charts. I'm here to hang out with you. So my interest, kind of, my interest is in that interest rate finally breaking the structure. I would love to see that, but if we don't, I'm watching on short term. I'm watching this fair value gap on dollar index. If this starts breaking to the upside and getting inverted, we have a very easy read on what is going to happen today, right? So I'm gonna keep this in my notes. I'm gonna keep it on the monitor as well, just to constantly watch it, okay? You should too. You should as well. Going onwards. 15 minutes, nothing too interesting. Euro. Buy side taken. That 1 hour for value gap push the price to the upside. I like the possibility of Tuesday being high of the week. I like that. I like the fact that we're inverting that 15 minutes for value gap as well. I like it all. I even tried to go short twice today. Sadly, nothing good happened out of it. The sad part about this is that this eye of the is possible short entry that I've missed, but I literally didn't see. I was zoomed out away from it and I didn't even see that this wicked into this, that it was a higher high on paper, you know? Too bad, but at the same time, we have a double top here. What do we do with double tops, huh? They never stick. They never stay inside in the market for too long. I'm gonna be watching that. Okay. BP USD. Let's take a look. It's just going. It's just not looking to stop. Hello guys. Hello. It's just not looking to stop. But we're leaving more and more liquidity below it though. We're leaving more and more liquidity below here, more and more liquidity below these lows where they were taken, but this is gonna be another liquidity pool in a fair value gap, right? Gonna be interesting to see if we can come back to it. But at the same time, let's just go into indices. let's do that. This goes globally. So let's do some talking first, and then we're gonna dive into this, okay? First thing first, I loved this breaker block pushing the market to the upside, right? We had a swing low, swing high. We created a lower low, a higher high, right? We have a breaker block right here. These two green candles is a breaker block plus a fair value gap. We wanted this to happen. We got that, right? Everybody who was short got killed, right? I like this as well now, because everybody who went short in here got their stop losses up here. Push to the upside before we go any lower is a possibility for us now. I like that. I like that. Okay. What else do we see? What else do we have? Look at hourly. Hourly so far is bullish. This should be on your chart, right? Break below it. Only then will allow the market to continuously push lower, right? We have a balanced price range out here as well. That should very much go into your note. Okay? Otherwise, just consolidation before 9:30 opening, which is good. Something we can work with, right? Market maker sell model is panning out on NQ though, so let's just check hourly. Nothing too interesting. 15 minutes, neither. 5. This is what makes me a little bit more interesting, and I kind of talked about it on Discord for you guys as well, where in a perfect market I saw these sell stops building out, and my bias is still bearish because I want to see dollar index pushing to the upside. Right. So my bias on indices is bearish. I like this, and I love the possibility of the market just pushing higher, finding resistance in this fair value gap and moving lower. Moving lower where? Below the new week opening gap and below these sell stops resting below. Right? I'm still watching it. I'm not running away from that idea, but I wanted it panning out a little bit differently. Right now what we're working with this 5-minute inversion. That just should push the market to the upside towards those buy stops resting above. Right? So this should be on your chart now. Almost a 20 handles move. I'm not saying that you should be in this trade, I'm saying that you should be watching this now, right? That is something that we can work with, right? Reasonably work. Let's go also and figure out where did the market open up. So we have the new day opening gap right here on NQ. And we have the new day opening gap on ES also. Where it is. Oh, wrong day. Went too far. Yeah, so we have it over here as well. That should definitely go into your notes. We're gonna see if we're able to treat it today or not. I'd rather not go as high as it is right now, but there is a possibility of getting pushed up there. I hate the fact that sell side was taken. I really wanted the sell side to get taken away from the market by a much more wanted it to be taken away from us after buy stops were run through. That would have been a lot better for us. Hmm? 3 more minutes, right? 3 more minutes. Bum, 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 bum. This is gonna be interesting. The only stuff that I see is buy stops residing above, and I see that 5-minute inversion. Nothing else so far interests. We're just gonna stick to it. Okay? Up until the point this buy side liquidity pool is there, I'm not interested in going short. Right? How high can we go? We have that new day opening up. Not only that, we have those 5-minute valid gaps open. Right? My idea on Euro just panned out though. Lower, sadly. It is what it is though. It's fine. But it could have been better. Question. Isn't lower liquidity back there at the beginning of the day around 18.85? Yeah, even lower. Watch this. I talked about this today already. Watch these relative equal lows on 5-minute chart. Everything around 18.866 is my interest. But you can't have buy stops residing above like this. Make a run there. A run like that would mean manipulation to the downside. We would be interested to participate in a buy for the day, then afterwards, right? This buys the liquidity pool being taken away from the market, then it allows us to be interested in a sell, in a short. Overall, who reads what I write in Discord, huh? Who checks the rule book? There's nothing that is going to be high probability today in this AM session. Why? Because we had a bank holiday yesterday. AM session after a bank holiday usually is what? Low probability trading condition. You can execute in it. You can find setups in it. You can be profitable in it. Do I recommend it for you guys? No. I would never. You know? Keep that in mind. Keep the fact that we just had a bank holiday yesterday in mind. Not only that, look how bullish the whole night was. Right? There was a lot of movement over the night. Right? We have to be careful because of that. So let's see. Let's see that if the only structure that we're able to see right now prevails, right? That structure being 5-minute inversion, plus buy side resting above. Very clean buy side resting above. Let's see if we can get there. Okay, put it differently. We will get there. We just have to find a time, the correct time of getting there itself, right? Hmm. Tiger, hello, hello. I like this pushing higher, like I do, right? I'd love to be able to work with it a bit more, right? But if we won't be able to do it, we won't. It's fine. We'll see. Buy side taken. Manipulation phase kind of delivered on. What do we want to see next? We want to see some premium being built in. 5 minutes? Where? Right up here. 15 maybe even, right? Then afterwards is gonna become fun, because what do we have right here? We have an opening. We have an opening in terms of a fair value gap. Everything below that is gonna become bearish if it remains open though. Right? Markets are open though. Markets are running. Just cool. Watching dollar closely. I'm very much watching dollar because I want to see it push to the upside. I really, really do. We're not really getting it, at least just yet, right? Euro chart moving lower. Let's not touch forex. Let's focus on this. U2 2022 1 hour chart. Not for me. Turtle soup though, yes. I think Edgarus loves doing this. If you trade turtle soups, this is your entry. You just put down standard stop loss. You pick a good risk reward. You literally go short when the market tags buy side liquidity pool. This is an entry, turtle soup. I don't trade turtle soups, not for me, no thank you. You know? But this is a possible trade entry. For a lot of people actually. A lot of people love doing this. No, Edgarus, you didn't miss anything. You didn't miss anything, man. We're still waiting. We want the manipulation stage of this to pass. Right? This can still do whatever. Here, back and forth like this, anywhere in the circle. You didn't miss anything. But yeah, I know what you mean. You like trading turtle soup. This was a turtle soup entry. right? Who came up with the name Turtle Soup? ICT did, Michael did. This is a Turtle Soup entry. Model 8, I think. So he has released 13 trade entry models. I think it's model 8, Turtle Soup. Yep. Turtle Soup should be tasty. That's that's good. That is good. Profits are tasty though, aren't they? But this is what I'm watching now. Listen. This is becoming good. We're expecting lower prices. This is my draw on liquidity, right? I didn't do the turtle soup, you think. I'm not hungry. But YouTube 2022 panning out. Alright. We have buy side liquidity pool taken. We have sell side residing below that we're interested in. We have a swing low taken. And we have an opening. Bow! Right? We just have to find that entry now. Simply. What do we have? We have a possible 10 handles to 40, 1 to 4. This is gonna be a trade for me. Right? I wish, though. I'm still trying to understand something. I hate the fact that I'm doing it, but I'm gonna go towards dollar and forex again. Sorry for being like back and forth a little bit today. I know that, but I am because I'm trying to read the market. I'm really trying to understand. So what on earth is happening right now? What are we actually looking for, right? Dollar index. That 1 hour inversion would be brilliant, right? But we didn't miss a thing yet. Meaning that if this inverts for 10 a.m., we're Gucci. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I don't know if I'm allowed to sing stuff like that on YouTube. But I just did, so. 5 minutes inversion on GU as well. So this is gonna be a short for me on GU. I like this. Bam. 40, 50 handles. So, right? I'm just noting it for myself. This is gonna be a good short for me on GU. Why? Because I like that possible inversion happening. What I like also, I like this possible short entry on NQ. I hate the fact that we're getting it before the session starts, but everything below this fair value gap is bearish now. Isn't it? Who's gonna disagree, huh? No, I'm kidding, but I'm gonna watch it though. I'm not gonna go mental with this yet. Why? Take a look. We're right at the equilibrium. I'd love a lot more premium to be built into this, to properly go in and just like say, oh, we go, right? I'd like to see a little bit more. But wait. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. will be fun, okay? And we're just shooting lower. I'm watching this inversion on Jew as well. Not only indices interest, right? You don't want to be interested in this, no. Sorry, but I am. Yet. What do we have? Market opened up. So let's take a look at it. Yes, market opened up. Nothing's happened. We're literally in a ranging market. If we don't leave this consolidation, and yes, there's nothing interesting. You can literally just put an alert up here, put an alert down there, and just wait. Nothing interests you in this. Otherwise, buy side taken on NQ, sell side taken, buy side taken. At this point, right here, why it is a turtle soup? Because at this point, nobody is in this market anymore. Everybody who was with their stop losses below here and going long got tagged. They're out. Everybody who was going short, they got their stop losses here, out. Turtle soup entry because the market is clean for delivery. Where? Sell side. How good is that, huh? How good is that? I literally told you. I'm literally telling you a third entry so far. All I have to do is just pick it. An inversion happening as well. So I said it out loud. I want 10 a.m. to hit the market because I want to have real trust in what dollar index is going to do. But now, this candle is a short entry for that entry. What do I need? I need an SMT. Do we have an SMT? We don't. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the proper trades that I can execute together with you. Nothing we do is random though. Nothing, guys. Sell side taken, buy side taken, turtle soup. Where are we going? 18866.5. This is good. I like this. New week opening have that tag. So all we have to do is get to the sell side residing right below it. Easy. Easy. Tagged. What do we say, huh? What do we say? Random. Fucking random, guys. This is good. I didn't expect this to happen after a holiday. I think we just got it. Interestingly enough. Cool though. It's very good. I like this. So we're gonna look for what the price is gonna deliver next, right? Market maker sell model is being executed here, right? Where's the sell side residing? Sell side actually is residing right below here, right? So I'm gonna note that. Previous day low is getting tagged. We're gonna take that off the chart actually. Not to bother us too much. We're interested in sell side, right? This is cool. This is good. Dollar index is already trading above that 1 hour for value gap. We want to see it inverted, right? If we don't get that inversion, everything I just told you is kind of disappearing now. 15 minutes. Sell signs. You see it? 1, 2, 3, 4 even. Like this never sticks. People believe this is support. People believe that market should bounce from this. Never ever. It does. It does from time to time, right? On paper, statistically, I say never when it's just less than 50% in a way. And it is. Stuff like this never sticks to the market. Just like buy side like this never does. Right? Sell side being taken next. So this is becoming problematic. Why is it becoming problematic? Because we're kind of getting to the targets that I wanted to see being tagged for the day. And why we might not even get an opening to execute it today because of that. Will be too bad. But what do we have on paper though? We have an SMT. Oh, this turtle soup is so good. Sometimes I'm mad at myself that I don't do turtle soups, but I don't. Let's say I had bad experiences with it, right? So we have an SMT, we have buy side bomb tagged, short, sell side tagged. We're good. Who's happy now? Everybody who is short is happy. We're gonna have to wait. We need those 10 minutes to pass for the dollar index to show what it's going to do on the hourly. Let me show you here. If this gets inverted, I'm happy. I'm happy with it short. But I really need to see this inversion on dollar. Without one, due to 2022 on 5 minutes though, panning out on GU. Swing low, very clean swing low, bomb taken, fair value gap. Not only that, we have an inversion lower. We're trading above midnight as well, right? It's cool. Now, if that inversion doesn't happen, what does it mean for us? Who's gonna be able to answer that? It means we can go and look for a long entry. Huh? Can we though? It's just a waiting game. You just have to wait it out. Allow the market to do its job. And participate in it afterwards. Sounds easy sometimes, right? Sometimes it is easy as well, but sometimes it's a little bit difficult, let's say, to stay present stay within yourself in a way to be able to catch moves like that. Downside still residing, so this push to the upside, I like it. YouTube 2022 panning out. Why? Why side taken? Break of structure. Fair value gap. Enter. So YouTube 2022 on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's going to 5. What's the dealing range like? Not too shabby. This was good. This was all 2 candles from this inversion, from this 3-minute fair value gap. This is cool. What do we do next? We wait. We still have 9 minutes of waiting, guys. 9 minutes. Stay patient. Just wait this out, okay? Do a favor for yourself. Just wait this. Okay? What's good today, though? What are you guys up to? Are you in this? I bet some of you guys are in this trade, though. Just cool. If you are, you are. This is cool. I just got disconnected from half of my accounts. Let me do what? Why am I in a trade also? Holy, something is happening. Just flatten all. Flatten all. Now we're good. Yeah? You have 1 active order. Where is it? What is happening? I'm just watching. So I don't have anything going on here. So my copier is telling me that I have an open trade that I cannot see. So let me just do this. I'm gonna close it all. Shut down. Yes, please. Thank you. Open again. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to find a password for this now, I guess, right? So let me do that. You wanna know my password? No, you won't. Log in. Let's see. 5 kind of more minutes for the dollar index to invert. So we're waiting, guys. We are waiting. Here we go. We're online. So, what is happening now? Eval accounts. I'm logged in. Yes, I am. That's good. Paypex, which are the funded accounts. I'm logged in. Just good. Copy trading. Online. Good. Okay. Back and ready. Sorry about this. Sorry about that. Had to fix it. Had to fix it. So let's see again. 15 minutes dollar index. You see this? At 1 hour for value gap. I like that being inverted. Sell side taken. 1 hour for value gap supports the price. Push to the upside. Inversion. low of the week kind of getting confirmed. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay? That's good. We should get it done. EU, outside tagged. GU. There's nothing stopping us from going lower. So let's take a look at how much did we lose today on forex. So, where is it? We have what? We have new order, sell limit. We have 0.29, 0.12, and 0. Oh, just a few percentage points. It's fine. Not even a percentage point, which is cool. Should be in profit very soon as well. Yeah. Oh, I'm having a good day. I thought that I'm having a much worse day than it is. This is good. So we're actually in a short on GU. If you're following the signals group on Discord, you should see that. Now what is happening on indices? Indices are very much just going lower because of that SMT and turtle soup, right? Come on guys, give some appreciation for this guy. Press the like button. Let's do that, man. Let's do that. Make that Michael Jordan happen, huh? No. This is fun. This is good. What do we have though? What do we have? I'm not excited to go long today. That's the issue. I would totally understand why we would be looking to go long. Because of how much downside we built into this. Right? Because of how much pressure to the downside we have just concluded. We have an SMT as well now. Right? Note that. This should go to your notes. Gonna be interesting to watch what pans out because if this gets inverted, is that an entry? For me, no. You can take it though. I don't mind you doing what you want to. But we gotta be careful. We have 1 minute to go. Not only we have 1 minute to go till the AM session actually starts, we have news releasing at that point as well. Don't we? Consumer confidence, something like that. If you guys can check, just type it into the chat, would be great. But we have news releasing also, which we have no idea what will happen during the news, do we? If you guys know what will happen during the news, you're doing something great. I don't know. So this outside is my interest though. Well, let's see. If we tag it during the news, then it's interesting. If we push to the upside during the news, then we might even find a possibility to go short. But if we tag that sell side, I'm closing that GU because of the news. I'm not interested in any exposure during the news, okay? So we're back to break even on Forex. And we're gonna wait for something happening here. And if you're having fun, just like Arna said, give me some love. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. It would be great to see you around next time here as well, okay? If there would be an inversion on ES, 3-minute inversion on ES, what do you think? So the guys who follow me for a little bit longer than just, let's say, a few trading sessions, should definitely see this, right? 3-minute chart, SMT, with NQ failing to provide lower lows. He is doing it. So if we go above this in the next, 2 minutes, I'm interested in a buy. Otherwise, everything is bearish. We're watching this sell side right below. Okay. Was this an entry? For me, no, thank you. But try to find a YouTube 2022 kinda panning out on 1-minute chart. Not anymore, because that parallel gap just got booked in, closed. Not really, but there's still a small opening there. They're on 30-second chart, 15-second chart, there might be a bigger opening for a short. Like this. 20 handles, 23. Try that. Try to find this on like 30, 15-second chart. Or a move lower, okay? So that SMT is panning out. I like it. We will get there. We're just gonna get there a little bit later then. Right? Try to mind. I'm gonna continuously have it on my chart. Now 954 on ES. Is this a long entry? Let's try. Oh my god, I didn't even get a chance to press a button. Holy. Okay. I don't have what to say. I just didn't have time to press this button. Not kidding. Okay. That makes it difficult. I really wanted to execute. I really wanted to find an opening. Too bad. So I'm sorry that I'm gonna say this, but this sucks. This was a perfect entry that we talked about. 3 minutes. Inversion, SMT, everything is there. Yeah. I was just literally just too slow. Okay, not too slow. I was just literally talking to you guys, not not focusing on it too much, but not in a trade, still a profit. How do you do that, man? Huh? That's good though. So we're watching this again, and now the issue for me, yeah, I'm not losing money. That's true. That's a good thought as well. I wanted to take this though. This was a good trade. This was good. No problem. Stay hydrated and we're gonna continue in a bit. So now, interestingly enough, yes, we have a YouTube 2022 panning out with an entry right now. I'm not gonna take it because I'm then on paper I would be chasing the price because I missed the entry. But this is a YouTube 2022 panning out. It's gonna be very difficult not to take, but I don't know. I don't want to open a trade just because I missed a setup. This is a YouTube 2022 though. From the low of an opening gap. 5 handles is a little bit much though, but ay. Well position I'm in. I'm not liking this too much though. Not because of the setup itself. The setup is good. Setup is literally on paper YouTube 2022. After we got a confirmation on 3 minutes chart with an inversion that was followed right after an SMT was booked, right? So this SMT and inversion is kind of confirming that this is a short-term swing low, right? It's cool. YouTube 22 panning out as well. But what we want to see, we want to see this remaining open. We want to see that breakaway gap remaining open, okay? If we get that, brilliant. If we don't, I'm gonna concede to this. I'm gonna close that trade. I'm not gonna overdo this. Okay? As if you have to agree with me. You can do whatever you want to. But yeah. Yeah. But that's the thing. I'm not saying I don't like this position because it's a bad position. I don't like this position because I'm on paper, not in real terms, because I don't feel like I am. I don't want this to become a trade that I would be chasing price, you know? I'm just trying to explain to myself that I'm not making a bad habit entering here. Because there is a setup, YouTube 2022, you know? But feeling wise, I missed an entry. So emotionally, somewhere in the back of my head, I don't want my mind to think that, listen, you're chasing price, you know? Something you guys can constantly think of as well, you know? But we are in this, right? Let's see what we can get out of this. Okay. So far, so good. So far, I don't mind. I'm trying to wrap my head around. What does it mean exactly? If we start pushing higher from where we are at now. Paper, there's no need to get there. There's an order block in the market to the downside, right? 15 minutes. 15-minute inversion. Yeah, sell side was taken though. Sell side was taken, so we have to come back into an equilibrium. So let's see. Dealing rate. We are at equilibrium. That's the I don't know how long I'm gonna stick to this because of that fact that we are at equilibrium. What to do? What to do? Start scaling off. And there's nothing saying that this is wrong just yet. We wait a little bit more. Okay? I don't like, so this is what I don't like about this. I don't like how barcodish this is becoming. And Q is delivering the price in much nicer manner than ES is. Look, what is that? What are these 5 equal highs? Like, I don't like what is happening here. You know? "5 minutes inversion on NQ. This is much better now. Like this. Okay? I don't like how deep we're getting on ES though. But now, since sell side is taken, low of that for value gap is getting tagged again. I want to see speed now. I want it to start running. I'm not gonna hold this towards the full sell stop though. I'm gonna have to close it early if this starts not panning out for us, you know? It's so hot in here though. You can't imagine. It's gonna be a fun summer, just sweating our asses off in the office because it's just warm and having all these lights and everything shining right into me. So I'm counting now. 10 bars. 10 minutes in this. I want to start getting confirmation that we're right. and not this. I want to see confirmation that we're in a good trade. Three minutes. Why so deep? My question, like I'm talking my mind off out loud for you guys to know. Why so deep? Why the retracement itself? There's no shift in structure. I'm in this still. Why go so deep? Like, there's no need for that. I'm gonna start looking to scale off and away from this. Huh? This is 318, what, 25, 318 sharp. We're gonna scale half of this off. I can't explain to myself why would the market have to dive so deep, right? To give an optimal trade entry? What for? What for do we need this? Like that, you don't need this optimal trade entry on paper because you already got 3-minute inversion. You already got a YouTube 2022. You already got a low, high, lower, low, high. You already got a breaker setup. Why this? 1, 2, 3. Why? That's what is happening in my mind, right? That's what I'm asking myself in a way. Yeah? If I would have an explanation to this, I'd be more than happy to hold on to this. Now I can't answer that question of why dig in so deep. There's no need for that, right? Because of that, I'm already looking to scale off. A little bit of risk away from this, you know? Hope that sounds reasonable. Let's see. Start yelling and being all happy about this now, shouldn't I? Come on, let's go. Let's see. This is good. This is good. We're getting openings. We're seeing fair alley gaps, right? That's what we want to see. Monitoring dollar index non-stop as well, right? So there's nothing that interests us below this. So we're scaling off right below that, right? Especially if this fair value gap remains open. Now we're getting confirmation to move the sell stop of this trade at 5320.25. Let's start getting there, right? Bum bum bum. 3-minute inversion again would be awesome, right? Note this, 3-minute inversion would be very, very good again. 20 more seconds for that. Let's see if we can get it, okay? On paper, you could be even adding to this if that inversion pans out. I won't. 5 seconds. Nope. We stayed in. I don't like that. Can it just continuously push higher? With these. Not an issue. But I wanted this to give way. Right now, what is the structure? This fair value gap. So everything below it on 1 minute basis, I'm not interested anymore. You see how quickly I scaled from what? 5 handle stop loss to 1 handle? I scaled 80% of the risk away from this. Just reading the market, just trying to understand what it's doing. That's why I never have like massive losing days. That's why I never have days where I burn a whole percentage point or anything like that, right? I literally just scaled off a bunch of this. It's cool. Button all. We're still having a good day, which is cool. This can shoot up to the sky though. Easily. But at the same time, what did I say before the session started? Who remembers it? I said that price after a bank holiday on AM session gonna be awful. What are we getting? We're literally getting awful price action on a AM session. That is right after a bank holiday, which is Memorial Day from yesterday. Random? How random is that, huh? You know? It will go higher though. Like that's for fact. We'll get there. Then we're gonna attack this as well on NQ. But I won't participate in it. I don't mind either. NQ is looking very good though. Take a look. 5 minutes inversion right here. Plus a 5 minute for value gap. What's the setup for live that we always talk about? SMT into inversion into a fair value gap. This is set up for life right here. Well, I didn't take it though. Why? Because it's too heavy for me. It's too risky. 30 handles is not something I can work on the funded account. If this would be my personal account I would be trading with, why not? Easy. Funded account? I can't. I can't allow myself to do this on a funded account because then you're just over leveraging. You're just asking for bad things to happen, you know? But we're still in the same market condition. We have an SMT at the bottom. So NQ is brilliant. We have an SMT. Have a 1 minute inversion that we don't touch. We have a 5 minute inversion with a 5 minute fair value gap confirmation. Did you hear how many confirmation points I told you? Entry. Not on a random point. Entry after a new week opening gap is getting tagged as well. How cool is that? I'm happy I closed this. Like, this is way too hard to hold on to. In other terms, what is this? High resistance liquidity run. We're not interested in participating. And we literally knew it's gonna happen. We literally knew it's gonna deliver us rough prices today. Right? I think it's still going higher. I'm not in it though. So let me just do this. Yep. Thank you. That 5-minute setup looks juicy. I can't trade it on a funded account though. Too bad, but can't. Again, bomb bounce version, right? We're gonna have to wait for the macro to start processing. It's gonna be a while still, so anything you guys want to talk about? Anything you guys want to brag about? Just let me know. Happy to listen. Happy to complain together with you. Happy to share something with you as well. We're still watching that bullish price, right? Finding the market. I can't participate in this. Not just yet. No. Still waiting it out. Like you are, hopefully, as well. You know? Hopefully, just like you are as well. Because getting caught in this, like, oh, thank you. No interest at all. Even though it's pushing higher, but I have zero interest in that. What I'm interested in though is what is going to happen in half an hour during the macro 1 hour chart. Due to 2022 plus inversion due to the stars, right? That's what I'm interested in. What does it mean for us trading indices? It means lower prices. So we're just waiting for the market to build out some premium now, right? Let's watch it do, and then let's look for a possible short entry together, right? Right. Mhm. bum, bum. I'm still in that waiting game. I'm still just waiting it out, allowing the market to do its work. What a boring market though. What a boring market condition overall. Just holding us in, just not giving us much breathing room, you know? Hmm. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna literally sit here with my hands tight. And wait for the macro, which is starting in 13 minutes. I have no idea still what I'm expecting it to do. But at the moment, price structure is bullish for me because of that 5-minute inversion. Right? I'm happy to see it change my mind. Right? Why not? But right now, I can't touch this. Mm-hmm. waiting it out, still waiting it out, playing the boring game, guys, literally. I don't want to have a position that is gonna consolidate like this, right? So what do I wait for? I wait for the market to get out of this range. When do I want to see it happening? During a macro. We'll always talk about the price delivering what it wants, actually delivering during a macro, right? Let's put it to our notes. 10 to 11. This is, we go, if the market consolidates like it is consolidating right now, we get to this point every single day, right? Where the waiting game has to finish at some point, right? We're hoping for it to finish right here. You see, it gives a little bit of impulse, it gives a little bit of movement, and then nothing cool happens. Boring, isn't it? But you can learn from this though as well. We took a position with that. We see openings again, we do. I'm not touching it. I'm waiting it out. Waiting it out. Again, waiting it out. Just looking for that high probability setup. Not for something random that might or may not pan out, you know? High probability. That's what I'm interested in. Tell me if you get very bored. But I'm just doing what I told you I will do. I'm waiting this out. I'm watching dollar non-stop. That's why I'm not talking too much, because this is a difficult session to navigate. That's why I'm not doing much talking today. I'm trying to see what the market is actually going to do. Not an easy game to play, but you can play it. So let's go through this. We're 5 minutes until the macro starts, and what are we watching, right? We're watching this YouTube 2022 possibly panning out on dollar. I like this inversion in green. I like everything I see out here. It's good. Euro, 1 hour inversion as well. Short entry on paper, yes. YouTube 2022 on paper as well. Everything lines up. GU dot. YouTube 2022 again. Sell side remaining, resting below. All cool here. Going into 15 minutes now here. Let's do it top to bottom. Hourly. Downside is still out there. I'm interested in this getting booked. I wrote it in Discord for you guys as well. I'm interested in 18833.5 delivery. Do we do it from here now? Do we do it a little bit later today? We're gonna have to see. I'm not sure. If I would be sure, I would be in a trade now, right? Market pushing away from this 5-minute inversion towards buy stops resting above, which is cool. We called for it. This is cool actually. We called today for it. Downside will be taking. We called for these buy stops. We called this turtle soup delivering sell side below. There was a 3-minute inversion as well. Fourth trade, N3 from 5-minute inversion plus a real gap confirmation. Like, cool. I'm not in this though. Still waiting it out. You can call it what? Dedication? Stupidity? Everything in one place, you know? Kinda. Yeah. Optimal trade entry. Let's probably gonna run those buy stops. Too bad. I'd like them to remain open, that turtle soup to continue panning out. And I'm watching dollar index. Watching dollar index, and then we're getting into that inversion level right now. Watch that carefully. Boring stream for you guys, I imagine. Like I'm sorry, but I'm really focused on trading today. Because we closed a red day yesterday, right? I'm break even for the week already. Trades I took today, but we skipped that. We skipped the consolidation, right? Part. Structure is bullish still though, so let's wait. Let's wait and see. Sounds like the police is coming for you. You know too much. Man, there's a police siren going on outside the room right now. Funny enough, right? They're haunting. We're good. We're good here. We're good here. We're good here. There's nothing that's the thing, guys. So I think we talked about it yesterday. If it was the thing, I'm struggling to remember things about what I rant and what I don't, because sometimes I'm just in a mood focused on trading. You know, sometimes it's difficult. But we ranted about this yesterday. I think that there's nothing that I know that other people don't. In a way, there's no information that I have that somebody couldn't be able to acquire, because all I know about the markets is stuff that I gathered because of hard work and effort. There's nothing that was at some point told to me or that I found laying on the street that nobody else knows besides me, you know? I'm kind of putting myself a little bit down in terms of saying there's nothing unique about this. There is. Hard work is unique. Hard work is hard. It brings its struggles, but it brings its beauty as well. But there's nothing that I found on the street that allows me to do what I do. It's purely hard work, man. Purely. Nothing else. Break of structure. Possibly, right? Let's see. I like... Where was that fair value gap? I like that 1 minute fair value. Yeah, one holding in the price, right? A high like this wouldn't be random. Would be during a macro. We like that too. Yeah? So let's see. Let's see what the market offers us. I'm still here. I'm still waiting. So let's see. Let's see. Still nothing. Still waiting it out. Boring. Incredibly boring. Almost 11, which is cool. Dollar index bouncing away from that inversion. It bounced away from a old new week opening gap as well, which is cool. I like that. It's getting a 1 minute inversion set up for us as well, right? It's interesting. We got an SMT. Right? Higher high on NQ, then lower high on ES. Let's watch it. There's a possible inversion opening up if we go below, right? Let's hope police doesn't hear this. So far, so good. Can it just be continuously pushing us higher with ease? We have long ways to go till the market becomes bearish, that of bullish prices that we're watching right now. No. This is my interest point now. This fair value gap. We go below it. The 1 minute inversion after SMT. Just like we had it down below on the 5-minute chart. I will very much enjoy this. Can be very, very interesting. There's something here that I don't like too much, which is on 5-minute chart, but still, we're gonna try to execute anyhow. Oh, version is there, we're good. Still playing with micros. Not rushing it. It didn't hang out there for too long. If we would have hung out there for a little bit longer, I would have added to the position with ease. Now just one micro, which is cool. What, 5th trade of the day? 5 trades today. Holy fuck. It's cool though. What I'm watching? I'll just put it down there somewhere. I don't want to stick to this for too long because one thing, I'm tired. Second thing, I want to go home. Third thing, I'm already in a good position for the day. So let's see what we get now. This is the part that I don't like too much. Got 5 minutes for value gap. 4 minutes looks good. Wait. I like what dollar index is doing as well. So I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna move the stop loss to break even very quickly as well. Remaining calm, focused on this. But I'm not too interested in this going above that. The value gap right here. Wanted push. But once we do that, stop loss goes below. And we're good, we're risk free, and this is gonna be it for the day, guys. Gonna let it rip. We're gonna profit even more from this. Yep. Totally risk free, that I'm happy to work with. If we take me away from this, that's fine by me. I don't mind too much. But I'm gonna start slowly finishing this off. Watch that 1 hour inversion on dollar. That's the most important thing for the day. If that 1 hour inversion prevails and that YouTube 2022 on dollar continues pushing the market to the upside, this is gonna continuously crash. What I'm watching for the rest of the day on NQ is 18833.5. That's my interest. Yep. So with that in mind, I'm gonna wish you a brilliant Tuesday. Great rest of the day. And we're gonna see each other tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.